Today I am going to use CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in shade D50 and it is deep golden. Looks like this. The reason why I am going to use a liquid foundation today is because I want to try the About Face setting powder to set it and see what it looks like. If you want to see what the setting powder on its own looks like, there will be a video attached either here or there, and you can see what it looks like on my skin. I have squeezed this amount of foundation so I can apply it. I'm going to use my fingers. I did not use any corrector. I did not use any primer. I forgot to put primer on. So it's just foundation and my moisturizer that I have on. I use my fingers to spread it all over. I'm going to set it with the About Face setting powder. Let us see how that looks. This is the powder. The shade I have is Petition. I pour some in here. I'm going to use this puff to go all over. Now I'll do it under this eye so we can see also. I did put foundation under my eyes. No concealer, just foundation. This eye has powder. Can you see? This one has no powder. Can you see the difference? No powder, powder. Now I'll finish to my face. This is what the CoverGirl True Blend Liquid Foundation and the About Face setting powder looks like on my face. Again, I used no primer. I forgot. But this is what my face looked like with these two products on. The powder is just beautiful. Love this foundation. It matches me perfectly. But this About Face powder, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If you're thinking of getting it, you should. It is really nice. Take a look again. These two products. This is it. No primer. Love it. Again, the shade name is Petition. Today's item is I am grateful for my inner guidance. I am grateful for my inner guidance. You are grateful for your inner guidance. Always remember you first. Love yourself daily. Take care of yourself. It is very, very important, especially as we are aging. As we're aging, we have to take care of ourselves even more. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you always. I will see you in the next video. Until I see you and you see me, I am sending you love and hugs because we all can use love and hugs. Bye.